Assalamu alaikum dear students. Guest paper Civics 2023 Karachi Board Civics 9 class Section B. Define civics in the words of E. M. White. Write any 5 demerits of democracy. Elaborate any 5 conditions necessary for acquiring citizenship. Mention the 5 duties of a caliph. Write 5 duties of Prime Minister of Pakistan. Write any 5 basic conditions or necessities for good governance. Write 5 important characteristics of the concept of millat in Islam. Write 5 qualities of a good citizen. State definition of civics in the reference of J. F. Gould and Mabel Hill. Describe in short the duty